Good afternoon, Clay Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a recent trade-in that I special ordered for some customers just right about a year ago, and then traded it back in, went a different route with a regular conventional type fifth wheel. But this is a 2019 Attitude 2814 SS with some features on it that they built as options. So it's going to have 8,000 pound axles instead of 7, so our carrying capacity is going to be greater. It's got the frameless windows. It's going to have the inverter. They did a really nice job. Lightly used, very clean, fresh trade-in. Come on inside. So as you can see here, this has got the nice colors for the interior. Nice white countertops. Big single basin sink, stainless steel. Nice lighting throughout. It's got the big microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven. Nice backlit counters. Plenty of cabinet space back behind here. Nice big pantry. It's got the 4-door refrigerator, freezer. So this is a new version when they changed. But now this refrigerator is in the slide out with the couch, so makes it a nice touch. Nice little bit bigger slide. Nice big table that goes in front of the couch here. We have the overhead cabinetry here above the couch throughout. The opposing dinette, bunk bed above, patio kit with the ramp door down. Screen wall. And so they ordered this. They had a Ranger with a full hard cab Ranger by Polaris that fit in here. So we know it'll fit. Got the real nice rocker swivel chairs with the Rosso interior, which is the red piping through, stitching on the material. Cargo lights here back in the cargo area or the bunk bed area. USB and 110 plug-ins, which is nice. Table there. 2 individual tables that go between here for the opposing dinette. Nice big Jensen TV. Underlit around the windows. They ordered this with the inverter as well, so it has the inverter that we can run TVs in bedroom and in living room on dry power with our charged batteries, so we don't have to run the generator to watch television, as well as having an under counter plug-in running through the inverter. Lots of cabinet space. Fuses and breakers real easy to get to. This is going to have onboard solar already on the unit. Thermostat switch here. Nice big bathroom with the glass shower enclosure and skylight with the fantastic fan, which is another option they opt with rain sensor. And I believe we have the vent covers over all of our fans and vents already on this one. Porcelain toilet, pass through into the bedroom. They took the mattress out, so we'll get another mattress for it. No biggie, or you can put your favorite mattress in, but it has the wardrobe slide. Plenty of cabinetry in the bedroom, above, beside the bed. Storage under the bed. There's the table stored away with posts. We go out through the hallway into the living room again through this way. Has the nice windows in the hallway. Come outside and I'll show you some exterior features. This unit here is going to weigh about 10,160 dry as equipped. It's got the big 16-inch rubber, like I said, the larger axles, metal fender wells, Zerk fittings on all the shackles, stowaway tube for your drain hose that you can access on either side. Exterior speakers, light bar above the door, LED light strip underneath the large awning that's power, along with the spotlights. Has the patio kit out the back end. Onboard ladder that's always with us. 12-volt fuel station. Big fuel tank area. This is going to have the roadside spotlights out the side as well, which is another option. Just more lighting when we're camping. The bigger 10-gallon gas and electric hot water heater, which was an option in 19. The Xantrak inverter, like I talked about, all lit inside, pass-through storage. Again, this is very, very clean. We have not cleaned it up. They just took super good care of it. Exterior shower, little compartment here for our battery disconnect area, as well as our front end LED lights on the nose cap. Wardrobe slide. Nice unit. If you're looking for something that's lightly pre-owned, kind of have already been through the reconditioning parlor. You know, when you buy a brand new rig, sometimes you got to bring it back to have a few things adjusted and trimmed and fixed. This has already been done. You know, didn't get rid of it because they didn't like it. Just had a change in life where toy hauler wasn't the primary need for an RV and went a different route. But here it is, ready for you. 2019 Attitude 2814 SS. Again, Clay Thompson with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Call me direct at 541-979-1770. I can give you any more information on this product or any other products that we carry here at Guaranty. Be happy to help. Thank you and have a great day.